Hello students, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great and I hope that you all are doing your work regularly. So now let us talk about the last type of rock, and that is metamorphic rock. So students, in previous video I really hope that you have understood different types of rock and their formation, that is of igneous rock and the sedimentary rock. Now in this video, I will discuss metamorphic rocks with all of you. So let us start students. Metamorphic rocks. Before proceeding to its meaning, let us understand the meaning of metamorphic. Metamorphic means changed form. So it simply means that metamorphic rocks are those rocks which are formed by the metamorphism process of pre-existing rocks due to high temperature or pressure. Now here let us understand the meaning of metamorphism. Metamorphism is a process in which there is a change of rock into a new form and structure by a very great heat and pressure. Now these rocks are formed by excessive of heat and pressure. And do you know one thing? Metamorphic rocks are actually igneous or sedimentary rocks only, but they have changed due to excessive heat and pressure inside the earth. And this excessive heat and pressure can change the original properties of rocks such as their color, hardness, texture and mineral composition. For example, limestone can change into marble and forms the metamorphic rocks. Similarly, shale into slate. So these are some of the examples of metamorphic rocks. And students, one more thing I would like to add on here, and that is these rocks remain in their original positions, but their original properties change due to heat and pressure, such as their color, hardness, texture, and mineral composition. Now, students, do you know one thing? And that is these rocks are mostly beautiful, bright, and precious. Some important metamorphic rocks are as quartzite, slate, etc. Okay, so now let us discuss the characteristics of metamorphic rocks. The very first point is these rocks are usually hard in nature because these rocks form due to excessive of heat and pressure. Metamorphic rocks are usually hard in nature because these rocks are formed by the effect of heat and pressure on the existing rocks, that is on the pre-existing rocks, that is igneous and the sedimentary, which greatly affect the hardness, texture or layer patterns of the rocks. Now let us move on to next one, and that is these rocks have a high specific gravity. It means that these rocks have more density in comparison to other rocks like igneous or sedimentary. These rocks have more density. Now let us move on to next point. Next point is that these rocks may be banded. Banded means having marks in these rocks with the stripes of different color. I have shared one image with you. You can see that image. This rock is banded, means having stripes of different color. Okay, so last point I have mentioned here is these rocks do not have empty spaces in them. When these rocks are more dense in nature in comparison to other rocks, then obviously they do not have any empty spaces in them, as they have large volume of mass in it. Okay students, so now I am sharing one assignment with all of you and you have to do these questions in your notebook. Name the main types of rocks with one example of each. So in this question you all know that what you have to do, right? Okay, so move on to next one, and that is how are metamorphic rocks formed? How these rocks are formed? due to excessive heat and pressure, which change the original properties of rocks, that is of pre-existing rocks, such as their color, hardness, texture and mineral composition. For example, limestone can be changed into marble. Okay, so for today only this much. So till then, take care of yourself and thank you.